Good evening dear students, welcome to the excellent current affairs session on Exigence Educator. Today we will cover the second part of May, that is 9th May to 15th of May, the current affairs from 9th May to 15th of May, and every Sunday 7 pm please do not miss this session, okay, because this premier session will be very useful for all upcoming competitive exams, be it banking exam, be it SSC exam, be it state PSC exam or be it railway exam, right. So this class is very important for all upcoming examinations and quite important from the exam point of view, right. So do not miss this session, and without further ado let's start the class. So today's first question of the day is, name the state or union territory that has launched vehicle helpline COVID van for the senior citizens. So this has been launched by which state or union territory? किसने लॉन्च किया है? क्या है? व्हीकल हेल्पलाइन कोवी वैन. ओके, सो इस राज्य का पुलिस, द पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट हैज लॉन्च्ड इट रिसेंटली. सो यस, my answer will be, please do tally your answer with me. Okay, so my answer will be Delhi. Just have a look here. I have taken this from the live meet, and guys please try to answer this one correctly, the answers correctly. Okay, try delivering, try answering these questions correctly, because I will check everyone's comment. Okay, so Delhi police launches, just as I said moments back, COVID van helpline for the senior citizens amid COVID-19 in order to help the elderly people struggling with their essential needs amid massive COVID surge in Delhi. South District Police of the National Capital has launched a helpline number exclusively for the senior citizens. Okay, so this is the actual helpline number. All right. Next one, name the bank that has announced the launch of I choose my number feature. So this is very important from the exam point of view if you are a banking aspirant. Okay, so this feature has been launched across India, pan India you can say. So this has been launched by none other than Jana Small Finance Bank. Have a look here. Jana Small Finance Bank launches I choose my number feature. Excuse me. So this is for customers pan India. This new feature gives the bank's existing and new customers the option to select their favorite numbers as their savings or current account number. Understood? You can choose your bank account number, right. Next one, excuse me, the police administration of which state has launched Mission Hausla. So Mission Hausla किस राज्य का पुलिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन लॉन्च किया है? So which state police administration is it? So yes, my answer will be, do tally your answer with me, my answer will be Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand police launches Mission Hausla to help the COVID patients. Just have a look here, this will help the people get oxygen beds, ventilators and plasma for the COVID people, okay, COVID patients. Next one, Himanta Biswa Sarma, okay, Himanta Biswa Sarma will succeed Sarbananda Sonowal as the Dash Chief Minister of Assam. So you all know there were elections in Assam as well as West Bengal. So you have to say Himanta Biswa Sarma will be what chief minister, 14th, 12th, 15th or 16th chief minister of Assam. So yes, my answer will be 15th chief minister of Assam. So he will hold the key portfolios. So actually he held the key portfolios in previous Assam government, including finance, health, education, right, and he has succeeded Sarbananda Sonowal as the chief minister now, right. Next one, who has won the best actor award at the New York City International Film Festival? New York City International Film Festival for his short film Happy Birthday. For his short film Happy Birthday. So do tally your answer with me. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? So I hope you have gone through the daily current affairs from our app. Okay, Exigence Educator app. It is already available on our Play Store, on the Play Store, Google Play Store, Exigence Educator app. Okay, ऐप में आपको डेली करंट अफेयर्स मिल जाएगा. ओके, डेली डिटेल्ड करंट अफेयर्स डेली सी आपको ऐप में मिल जाएगा. प्लीज गो थ्रू इट, गो थ्रू द करंट अफेयर्स. Okay. So, my answer will be, yes, my answer will be Anupam Kher. Have a look here. Anupam Kher wins Best Actor award at New York City International Film Festival. Okay. So, and yes, the movie Happy Birthday has been directed by Prasad Kadam. Okay. Next one, World Red Cross or Red Crescent Day is observed on which date? World Red Cross or Red Crescent Day is observed on which date? So, this particular question is important for aspirants of SSC, bank, railway, as well as state PSC examinations, aspirants of all these examinations, okay, because this type of questions can be asked in any competitive exam. So, yes, do tally your answer with me. My answer is 8th May, okay, World Red Cross Day 2021, observed on 8th May, right, and see, World Thalassemia Day is also observed on 8th May, okay. The theme of World Thalassemia Day was addressing health inequalities across the global thalassemia community, understood. So, you can just go through the history of World Red Cross Day, it will help you enhance your knowledge, right. Next one, Dash has been ranked the second fastest growing retailer in the world in 2021 ranking of global retail powerhouses by Deloitte. So, what will be the answer? Which retail company has been ranked second fastest growing retailer in the world? So, yes, my answer will be Reliance Retail. Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Retail, second fastest growing retailer in the world, right. Ravinder Pal Singh has passed away recently. He was associated with which sports? Ravinder Pal Singh has passed away recently. So, this is from obituary, right. This was important, that is why I have included it. Generally, I do not include the obituaries because you need not go through the obituaries in details, okay. They are not so important, but since this one was quite important from the exam point of view, I have added it. So, yes, he was associated with hockey. Former India hockey player Ravinder Pal Singh, a member of 1980 Moscow Olympics winning side, has passed away. A two-time Olympian, he was also part of 1984 Los Angeles Olympics. Name the person who has won the prestigious 2021 World Food Prize. Prestigious 2021 World Food Prize. So, yes, my answer will be, do tally your answer with me. This is quite important question from the exam point of view. मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. यस, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा शकुंतला हरक सिंह थिलस्टेड. ओके, शकुंतला हरक सिंह, राइट. वर्ल्ड फूड प्राइज, very important from the exam point of view. Next one, recently Prime Minister Modi paid tributes to the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore on his dash birth anniversary. So, which edition, in fact, which birth anniversary was it? Okay. We all know Rabindranath Tagore as Kavi Guru, isn't it? So, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Yes, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 160th birth anniversary. Okay, 160th birth anniversary, right. Excuse me. So, next one, the novel Life in the Clock Tower Valley, Life in the Clock Tower Valley has been authored by whom? So, who has authored the novel Life in the Clock Tower Valley? So, yes, do tally your answer with me, guys. My answer will be Shakur Rather, okay. And let us have a look at the other options. Meghan Markle's book The Bench was recently in the news, okay. We discussed it, we had already discussed it in the previous class. Akash Ranison, this book Climate Change Explained for One and All, this is also important from the exam point of view. And of course, Amitabh Ghosh's Living Mountain is also quite important. London based property consultant Knight Frank has ranked New Delhi and Mumbai in the dash and dash positions respectively in the global prime residential index. So, what is the rank of New Delhi and Mumbai? So, yes, my rank will be 32nd. New Delhi occupies 32nd rank and Mumbai is at 36th. Okay. Next one, Dash has launched a new mobile application for psychosocial wellness of students and parents. Psychosocial wellness for the students as well as parents. Okay, so this is also quite important, right? This is for mental wellness and mental health, for enhancing the mental health of the students during the lockdown days. So yes, my answer will be CBSE. CBSE launches new mobile application for psychosocial wellness of students as well as parents. Have a look. The new app, namely CBSE Dost for Life, the name of the app is Dost for Life, has been designed for students of classes 9 to 12, and it can be used for counseling sessions from 10th of this month. Very important, right? Nepalese climber Kami Rita scaled Mount Everest for the dash time. This was also in the news recently. Okay, I hope you have already gone through our app, the current affairs section of our app. Okay, so yes, what will be the answer? The answer will be 25th time, right? Have a look here. Nepal's Kami Rita scales Mount Everest for the record 25th time. Who chaired first BRICS Employment Working Group EWG meeting? Employment Working Group meeting, first BRICS Employment Working Group meeting. So yes, the answer, I mean the options are quite confusing, right? I have given the options to confuse you, just to confuse you. So what will be the answer? Yes, my answer will be Apurva Chandra. Apurva Chandra. Okay. The book 1971, The Beginning of India's Cricketing Greatness, has been authored by whom? So who has authored this book? 1971, The Beginning of India's Cricketing Greatness. So yes, I hope you have already gone through this news. Okay. So my answer will be Gautam Bhattacharya and Boria Mojumdar. So both A and B is my answer. Option D. Which state government has announced the launch of Mukhyamantri COVID Upchar Yojana amid a rise in COVID cases in the state? Mukhyamantri COVID Upchar Yojana has been launched by which state government? And we all know, right, that in Tamil Nadu there is complete lockdown. Okay, lockdown, and in West Bengal also the chief minister has declared complete lockdown till 30th May, complete lockdown till 30th May. So we are going to see worse days in the coming month, or we can say in the coming days, in the coming weeks. Days are getting worse, but please do not lose hope. Be optimistic, be hopeful, because this is just a phase and this too shall pass. Please do not give up hope. Okay, that is the one thing we can adhere to, right? So you should be hopeful and don't worry, all the examinations will take place once this thing, actually what happened, due to elections and due to various reasons, due to various factors, COVID cases have seen a sudden uprise, sudden surge in COVID cases, right? So this is why the lockdown is necessary, right? So hope the number of cases soon reduces, the surge in the case, the number of COVID cases soon reduces, and the examinations can be taken by the concerned authorities in due course of time. So don't lose hope, keep preparing, okay, and take daily mocks. Okay, आपका सपोज ऑलिव बोर्ड का मॉक आप दे रहे हैं, इफ इट इज डन, यू आर कंप्लीट विथ ऑलिव बोर्ड, go for practice mock, purchase practice mock, and if you are already done with it, go for Exigence score booster, use my code Anirban, you will get it for only rupees 269, just 269. Okay, score booster, the mocks are pretty good. Okay, you will get the link of this mock in the PDF. Okay, in the PDF of this class, just 269 for 1 year, you will get 2000 mocks for all competitive exams. Okay, and if you are done with score booster, you can also go for grade up. This is also quite useful. Fine, so take daily mocks, daily mock दीजिए और analysis कीजिए, ठीक है. So yes, my answer will be Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government fine tunes rules for Mukhyamantri COVID Upchar Yojana. Next one. So I have added this. So these are some of the important facts you need to know, right? So Mandwadi station, its name has been changed to Banaras railway station. Hubli railway station, Siddharudha Swamiji railway station, Nuagar railway station, Siddharth Nagar railway station. These are some of the name changes you must know. Ayodhya airport, the name has been changed, इसका नाम change कर दिया गया है मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम श्रीराम एयरपोर्ट, right? Next one, who was recently sworn in as the 14th NASA administrator? 14th NASA administrator. So yes, do share the class feedback in the comment section. ठीक है, मैं चेक करूँगा, क्लास का फीडबैक दीजिएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में. उसके साथ साथ प्लीज़ डू टैली योर आंसर विथ मी. Yes, my answer will be Bill Nelson. Bill Nelson. Next one, name the person who is heading the advisory group set up by RBI to assist the regulatory review authority. Regulatory review authority. So क्या होगा इसका आंसर? Yes, see, the answer is quite easy for this one. You can easily answer this. Yes, my answer will be S. Janaki Raman. Okay. Next one, RBI has announced to conduct first special long term repo operation. Special long term repo operation of how much amount for small finance banks? Small finance banks. So ये आंसर करने के साथ साथ just tell me what is the difference between finance, small finance bank and payment bank in the comment section. मुझे comment section में आंसर चाहिए, ठीक है? Okay, either during this premiere session or after the class is over. Do answer in the comment section. Comment section में मुझे आंसर चाहिए. Difference between payment bank and small finance bank. So yes, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 10,000 crore. RBI to conduct first SLTRO of 10,000 crore for small finance banks on 17th May. Next, which of the following social media networking sites has recently donated 15 million US dollar for COVID-19 relief in India? For COVID-19 relief in India. So yes, do tally your answer with me, guys. My answer will be Twitter. Twitter has donated 15 million US dollar for COVID-19 relief in India. So this is the picture of Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter. Next one, the police department of which state has recently launched free food delivery app? इसका नाम क्या है? सेवा आहार. सेवा आहार food delivery app for the COVID-19 patients. So yes, this initiative has been, this novel initiative has been started by the police department of Telangana. Telangana police to provide free lunches to COVID patients. Very important, right? Just like the red volunteers are doing in West Bengal. They are also doing a great job. Okay, providing food, free food, then oxygen. Okay, oxygen cylinders. They are delivering the cylinders. They are delivering food. They are doing a great job in our state, in West Bengal. Next one, Mother's Day is celebrated every year on. So this is also quite important if you are going to appear in any competitive exam. Okay, so yes, my answer will be second Sunday of May. In India, Mother's Day is observed on the second Sunday of May every year. This year, we will mark the celebration for Mother's Day on May 9th. So 9th May हमने Mother's Day celebrate किया था, right? Okay. Next one, recently which of the following states has announced free treatment of mucormycosis patients? This is also quite worrying, right? Mucormycosis has emerged. This is actually being seen in the COVID patients, right? Those who have already turned negative from being positive, we can see this disease in those patients, right? Mucormycosis. So yes, my answer will be Maharashtra, right? This is quite common in the COVID patients these days. So please stay alert, right? Maharashtra announces free treatment for mucormycosis patients under government scheme, right? This is a fungal infection. Next one, the book Elephant in the Womb. Elephant in the Womb has been written by whom? Elephant in the book, किसने ये किताब लिखा है? So yes, my answer will be Kalki Koechlin. So the pronunciation varies, right? Koechlin or Koechlin, okay, Kalki Koechlin. So Nitin Gokhale, his book Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Minds, Simple Life, important from the exam point of view. J.K. Rowling's The Christmas Pig, this is also important. International Nurses Day. International Nurses Day is observed on which date? This is very important, right? because we all know the role of the doctors and nurses in this pandemic situation. So, yes, International Nurses Day is on 12th May. International Nurses Day is observed on 12th May. Next, who has been appointed, as नहीं होगा ये गलत मैंने लिखा है. So, who has been appointed the 38th National President of FICCI FLO. So, yes, this is also quite important from the exam point of view. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका उज्ज्वला सिंघानिया. Okay, उज्ज्वला सिंघानिया. Next one, which team has won the World Team of the Year award at Laureus World Sports Award 2021? World Team of the Year. So, I hope you have already gone through this news and you know it. So, I want to see everyone's answer in the comment section. So, yes, my answer will be Bayern Munich. Okay, the football team of Germany. Next one, who has won the World Sportswoman of the Year award at Laureus World Sports Awards? So, World Sportswoman of the Year. So, do tally your answer with me. My answer will be Naomi Osaka. Naomi Osaka, right? Next one, who has won the World Sportsman of the Year award at Laureus World Sports Awards 2021? This is also quite important. Yes, it is none other than Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal, okay, from Spain. Next one, recently, who among the following has won the Mutua Madrid Open title by beating Matteo Berrettini? Matteo Berrettini. Okay, this is also quite important. आपको आंसर दे देगा, जो आंसर है ये दे देगा, आपको पूछेगा किसको बीट किया है इन्होंने. ओके, मैथियो बेरेटिनी will be your answer at that time. So, yes, my answer is Alexander Zverev. So, here have a look here. So, Arina Sabalenka of Belarus has beaten or beat world number 1 Ashley Barty of Australia, okay, and claimed Madrid Open women's singles title. This is men's single and this is women's single, right. Next one, name the operation that has been recently launched by armed force to fight COVID-19. Very, very important. So, yes, this initiative or this operation has been recently started by the armed forces. The name is Kojit. Okay, Operation Kojit launched by armed forces to fight COVID-19 in India. Lieutenant General Kanitkar has said it. Okay, Madhuri Kanitkar. Next one, and who is she? Deputy Chief of Integrated Defence Staff. Okay, Medical, Lieutenant General Dr. Madhuri Kanitkar. This is her picture. Next one, name the bank that has launched a chatbot EVA on CSC's Digital Seva portal. Digital Seva portal. So, yes, EVA has been recently launched by none other than HDFC Bank. National Technology Day हम कब ऑब्जर्व करते हैं? नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन, डू टेल योर आंसर विथ मी गाइस, इट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 11th May एंड इस साल इसका थीम क्या था? साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर अ सस्टेनेबल फ्यूचर. साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर अ सस्टेनेबल फ्यूचर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. BJ Watling has announced his retirement from all forms of cricket. He belongs to which country? BJ Watling has announced his retirement from all forms of cricket. He belongs to New Zealand. He belongs to New Zealand, right. Next one, which company has launched an all electric motorcycle brand Livewire? Very, very important. Livewire किसने लॉन्च किया है? Okay, so Honda, Maruti Suzuki, Harley Davidson, Bajaj. So, my answer will be Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson has launched all electric motorcycle brand Livewire, right, because this is quite important because we are moving towards e-vehicles, right. Next one, recently online investment platform Grow has acquired which of the following mutual fund company? This is also quite important from the exam point of view, right. So, yes, my answer will be India Bulls Mutual Fund for 175 crore. The amount is 175 crore. According to recently released report, which city has become the first in India on health infra parameters? Very, very important. I am marking it, very, very important. So, this city is, yes, Pune. Pune ranks first, Delhi NCR at the bottom among top 8 cities in health infra, that is health infrastructure. Ahmedabad is ranked second in the list. Okay, whilst India Silicon Valley Bengaluru is ranked third, very important, ठीक है. Which e-commerce company has launched Sanjeevani to match COVID patients with plasma donors? Which e-commerce company has launched Sanjeevani to match the COVID-19 patients with plasma donors? So yes, Sanjeevani has recently been launched by a company, the name of which starts with S. So yes, the name is Snapdeal. Snapdeal has recently launched Sanjeevani. Snapdeal team is stepping forward to connect prospective donors to patients and contribute to the country's fight against COVID-19. Right? Name the person who has become or who became the first Indian person to win the Arab World Nobel Prize. The Arab World Nobel Prize, very very important. So yes, it is none other than Dr. Tahera Kutubuddin. Tahera Kutubuddin. Okay, right. Which institute has developed a prototype of a movable electric cremation system which claims to be using first of its kind technology that involves smokeless cremation despite using wood. So there will be smokeless cremation, right, in spite of using wood. Okay. So yes, it is none other than IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar has developed an eco-friendly cremation cart fitted with stainless steel insulation for ensuring no heat loss and less wood consumption. Next one, IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, has recently penalized which insurance company an amount of rupees 30 lakh for repeatedly violating Insurance Act and regulations, very very important. So yes, it is none other than SBI General Insurance, right, SBI General Insurance. Next, recently which organization has developed an algorithm tool for detecting COVID-19 infection? So इसका नाम क्या है? आत्मा और आत्मन AI, artificial intelligence. So yes, it is none other than DRDO. Okay, DRDO. DRDO has developed an artificial intelligence algorithm that can detect the presence of COVID-19 disease in chest X-rays, right. Next one, which football team has recently won 2020-21 Premier League Championship? Very important. Premier League किसने जीता है? So yes, my answer will be Manchester City. Manchester City. Okay, very important. Next one, what is the rank of India? What is the rank of India in the latest Test cricket rankings released by ICC? So you must be knowing this, right? Okay, whether you are a cricket fan or not, you must be knowing this and you must be aware of this news. So yes, India's rank is at the first position. India is standing at the first position. India is at the top position, right? So India's rank is first. Next one is New Zealand, right? You can just go through it. So yes, with this we come to the end of this session. 45 में आपको कितना मिला है कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिएगा. Do tell me in the comment section. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel, right? And PDF आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. This is the name of our टेलीग्राम चैनल, एक्सीजेंस एजुकेटर, राइट. PDF क्लास का PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. एंड PDF में जस्ट ये जो लिंक है, ये लिंक क्लिक करते ही आपको करंट अफेयर्स का पेज ओपन हो जाएगा आपका. ओके, वेबसाइट पे करंट अफेयर्स का पेज आपका ओपन हो जाएगा. यू कैन रीड द डेली करंट अफेयर्स, इन डिटेल्ड करंट अफेयर्स फ्रॉम आवर वेबसाइट एज वेल एज ऐप. ओके, so let's meet on the next class. You will have upcoming classes of reasoning on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Reasoning for all banking exams, okay, banking as well as insurance exams. And very soon you will be getting classes on banking awareness. Perhaps in the coming week you will get the class on banking awareness, right? So till then, take care, God bless you guys, and stay home, stay safe, always wear a mask. If you want to go out for some emergency, if possible wear double mask and carry hand sanitizer. Okay, so best wishes for your upcoming examinations. Stay home, stay safe, and God bless you guys.